Igbo Igbo ekene m unu asụka na pịa gbana na mgbagbu n'ụbọchị nke taata biko na ozi anyị jikọ wee bịa bụ ozi nwanne anyị nwoke a bụ ihe ọzọ si ndị ọbụla na-asọpọt bụ bịa hie na ha ndị ka ha receive some sense. Nwanne anyị nwoke a gwakwa ndị otu Matthias okwu na vidiyo anụnwa biko achọrọ m ebe onye nọ biko ka onye ahịa ghara nye mmekọ vidiyo anụnwa biko unu ego na-ebi unu gbazikwa n'aka na subscribe na this channel na-agba notification unu ka unu so live na-enweta notification mgbe ọbụla iti vidiyo ọfụ nke kachasị mkpa drop your comment na the comment section mana biko so live na vidiyo ka unu febe nwanne anyị nwoke gwakasị Matthias arụ nke a bụ okwu ụgwọ ya bụ eziokwu kwụ ọtọ ka ọ gwara ya mana I believe na as in the truth you know shall set you free. Man, I believe in no one not like eziokwu. Man, I can't just cheap with the way they want to live their life. The best you can do for them is to stay your mind, say the truth which you believe in, and also leave them for them to live the way they like and believe whatever they want to believe. Because I can video one night waka na nwere okwu o ji wee bịa n'ụbọchị nke tata.
Ugbu ka Matthias pụtago na social media. One governor post a picture never live video that you need to do this thing for your people, you need to sort this one, you need to build this road for your people, that people that are in this village are suffering. Okay, memuyana o man ome yoru Abuja o man ome ya ebe a ga-alọk ya a ga-etufu the key. If all these people now support to Matthias, all these Matthias supporters, they are the most useless people you can ever waste your time on talking with. The fact that you believe that ordinary stick can be your God doesn't mean that everybody should believe with you. Na-epụta asị na ukwu isi uchigi with nkanka akwa n'ihe na-esichi isi no ya uchigi abụghị na ị ga-emekwa ka others believe that thing buchi ha. A small boy that knows nothing about tradition, about Christianity, or about whatever religion, he better let's go back to our youth. Most of you, as far as I'm concerned, can never even live a traditional lifestyle. You cannot even try to avoid some certain things as a traditional person. Most of you now marry from one mother to another. Now charm, maybe a teach. It's a tradition name all those things. It's a tradition name. It's a real traditional lifestyle. A real one. It's a social media. You are taking people's thing. I don't know that life Omenala is against such lifestyle. You know, so he never make any chance Omenala. Chineke ga-akpụ chani n'ọkụ. You come to my inbox and be telling me rubbish. If all these people now support to Matthias, all these Matthias supporters, they are the most useless people you can ever waste your time on talking with. Most of you has been commenting that Matthias and his boys are doing the right thing by chasing after innocent preachers out there. That's how Oyibo people did to their ancestors back then and forcibly convert them to Christianity and other things. And I begin to ask this question. Matthias ni no munchari na claim no a Messiah no Igbo nduko how many times go criticize their government? Ugbone ka Matthias putago Jenny only we criticize their government who the main architect of our problem. How many times can Matthias and his boys, if you go to every governor or even state local government chairman, call and go camera Tiani, where by phone Tiani, where does he have only Aruzo Presero no Boda, only Menka? Because almost of our problem. Go to Igbo State today. Isiagu. In terms of Uzo, so say this state here good to go to the two motorable, even inside village, inside bushes, we are body states. Apart from there, where is the ABC Pota? Ureka Matthias Potago na social media. One governor post a picture, never live video. that you need to do this thing for your people, you need to sort this one, you need to build this road for your people, that people that are in this village are suffering. Okay, Memuyana, Omano me yoru Abuja. Omano me ya eba ga lock ya age to fudiki. He can't do it otherwise. But all innocent preachers that are doing their thing according to their belief, you are going after. Na nusoha. They recruit some useless ndị pụrụ mmiri ibe gị ka ha na-akọsụ religious war in Igbo land. And if some of you, instead some of you will understand what this Matthias is doing, where he's heading to. And I said na the church na sponsor can make all those things. Why do I hate Matthias? I am trying to bring Matthias down. This, that, kiniko. In Apuana, the fact that you believe that ordinary stick can be your God doesn't mean that everybody should believe with you. Na-epụta asị na ukwu isi uchigi with nkanka akwa n'ihe na-esichi isi no ya uchigi abụghị na ị ga-emekwa ka others believe na that thing bụchi ha. All those your gods ị na-asị all of you na-eme ka a na-achị azụ n'omenala with ndị nke na-asị m n'ihe Matthias na-eme with the right thing n'oge ndị ọcha bịa n'one aka ndị ọcha si wee force onye ọ na ha by Christianity, onye aka ndị ọcha si wee mee their ancestors, onye aka ndị ọcha si wee mee their grandfathers. Ka enye your grandfathers ji wee kwete ka ndị ọcha tinye ha na Christianity as a religion. Why ha ji wee kwete ka ndị ọcha convert ha then hapụ all those your Arab na-ebe ha na-ekperu ma dudu baba na ndị enyekere pụtụ. I believe now all those our ancestors try on their own powers to stop all those white men from converting them, to prove to them that their own gods they were powerful, and they believe that those their gods fail. That's why Haji were quoting Jesus Christ, quoting him daughter Jimakia Weber. And that is the more reason Haji were have all those Ndembo and Arab turn out to Christians. Uche Hadi believe. You know that they see no Isiagu go isi chebegi. Oisi amu yokos bo Arabia. Rere gogo. Obu ni eni na your ancestors na efu oge ahụ nwere ike. Ha kwesịrị stop all those Oyibo from taking them or from destroying them. But to show you how powerless all those things are. Oyibo people came, destroyed, burnt, and took some to their own country. In my opinion, that is in a way nature Jindogi. Now, the only of us from another place where buy your uncle, maybe Burundi take for our now there getting a museum. Now watch. Now do Mazomazi now watch. They said na Arabunego bo greatest. Are you mad? And Apuana. Or if all those your ancestors couldn't stop them from converting them and couldn't stop them from trying to make our people to believe in Christianity, you think you guys of now can do it? Your ancestors from stopping white people from bringing Christianity into the country or into the state. You think you guys of now can do it? You think can they live a good and simple lifestyle than all those of you now who don't job? All those of you now who much job? Oberi who ne book the garros in can carros in a team mad. Oberi who ne go Tonu Yako. Ne what these useless boys had a very okita. Then I can Fushima. A small boy that knows nothing about tradition, about Christianity, or about whatever religion. He better let's go back to our youth. Most of you, as far as I'm concerned, can never even live a traditional lifestyle. Because some have many principles of which most of you now cannot even keep it. Oh, we indulge you everywhere. Traditional lifestyle is very hard to live than a Christian lifestyle. of which most of you young ones cannot even manage to live a traditional lifestyle. You cannot even try to avoid some certain things as a traditional person. Most of you now marry from one mother to another. Now charm maybe a teach. It's not the tradition name all those things. It's not the real tradition our real culture. It's not name all those things. It's not our real tradition name you kit. Now what time nemenka. It's not our real tradition name sumadoi. It's a real traditional lifestyle. A real one. It's not another mother here. It's social media. They put them mad away. You don't want to package. You don't want to name a guy go to Omenala. Kaina cho Omenala. Busi Ezeaku. You are taking people's stand. I don't know that life. Omenala is against such lifestyle. You don't so he never make any chance Omenala. Chineke ga punu chani no. You come to my inbox and be telling me rubbish. As far as I'm concerned, we have freedom of worship in Nigeria. You can worship whatever you want to worship. I don't care. But what I'm against is problem Matthias create. Because everyone Ndi Igbo afuwaga and keep as well. And Igbo na asa na agasa. I keep on saying it. So when they brought this rubbish on them, they're going to put a division. They're going to put a religious war. Ekuwa isi nkuna abamba no we ememu anything. You are just going to ofi no we ha ememu no we mensa no around. O ma don take na gbe echi ambo so ya wuri ka wo kwase anenu. That's why I used to pity some of you here this way come for you. O we wonu ma. Owu e big ekperima ne put a big problem ni Igbo Land. Here I say more with your Messiah. And illiterate them with Uche. If I thought you want to do charity, you do your charity, you do it straight. When that cause why confusion. Church did this, church did that. What about the government? Came back at the government with full responsibility of their citizens. It's a man of the normal dinner and a joker. It's a government create enough job. Build enough economy. It's not money when time in a joker. It's not money when time in a seeking for miracle. It's not money when time in attend this nonsense woman and abuse Ezeaku name. Government may have to see me. Resembles or Roman in upon money in a church. So when you want to do your criticism, you start from the government. Before you say some of this fake man of God, because as far as I'm concerned, the fake big man of God, we have a lot of them. But you come here and generalize that Christianity and Jesus Christ and this one, they will go get target China, India, to show that you are a stupid human being. With all this nonsense people watch you go their brain in the sometimes when I check their profile picture, I'll begin to wonder and think like if go here and then they can nothing to all they go frustrated in life. You see me in a moment. For those of you that will be commenting rubbish on my inbox, for those of you people that will be commenting rubbish on my inbox, if you know those things, you come then after you, Jonah.
Ndị be anyị ekene m ekene nwoke ekene nwa ekene ihe na-ejeli Igbo ozi na biko obere na-echa vidiyo anyị nakwa aka isi wee na-ekwu ya mbụ biko na anyị na-ekenekwu na subscribe mana biko ka agbakwanụ mbọ na-eme ka anya bụ ife na-agbagotekwa biko na nke kachasị mkpa na biko na anyị laa aka na-share this video na drop comment na comment section na-abụkwa notification unu ka o wee soro wee na-adaba mgbe ọbụla atịle vidiyo afọ Igbo ndị ọma nji eme ọnụ ekenekwa m unu ekene ihe na-ejeli Igbo ozi biko anyị nwanụ mgbe ọzọ.